Hey crew, Steve here. I have a cool new product to share with you today. Are you looking for rubber boots compatible with the Deutsch DT or DTM series connectors? If so, you don't need to look any further than WireCare. These quality rubber boots are designed to work with the Deutsch DT or DTM series connectors, including 2-way, 3-way, 4-way, 6-way, 8-way, and 12-way connections. The boots were designed to work with the connectors as long as they have the special shrink boot modification. The exact modification is in the suffix of the part number, with E008 or EP11 for DT connectors and E007 or EE03 for the DTM connectors. Well, how do you install them? Each is installed the same way. You fit it onto the shrink boot lip on the plug or socket side of the connector, and then they lock together. These DT and DTM style flexible rubber boots work great within the harshest environments in general automotive, motorsports, and industrial applications. Each one is designed to withstand common automotive fluids. Now that you know more about them, are you ready to shop for these boots? You can easily find them when you click on the pop-up in this video or on the link within the video description below. But before you go, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos about products, installations, and everything else WireCare has to offer. Thanks.